Sorry, there's a setting on YouTube, and for some reason it got put to normal latency, which ends up being very ends up being like fucking 30-second delay. So yeah, y'all don't want that. So I turned it to ultra low latency, which is basically no delay. Good morning, good morning. Back like we never left. Top of the morning, top of the morning. Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Why is everyone saying Denny's the best? What are y'all trying to get something? y'all try to get a fucking get something from Denny? What y'all doing? What y'all doing? That's funny. That is funny. That is real funny. All right, we're getting ready here for a market to open. Getting ready. NASDAQ pulled back here after the PPI numbers came out. NASDAQ pulled back. We're going to see what happens here. Today. Today, going to be messing around, doing a little bit of trading, doing the stock trading. We're trading NVIDIA. Maybe trade a little bit of NVIDIA here today as well as we get the party started. So we're trading stocks on Warbucks. We're going to be trading futures as well, but we'll do it. We'll dabble. We're going to dabble. Looks like fucking God. Looks like NVIDIA gapped up to all-time highs again. Oh my Lord. Look at NVIDIA, 224 now. You gotta love it. Insane. Just keeps gapping up. NVIDIA gapped up $4 overnight. Crazy. Crazy, man. Am I still in California? I don't know. Look behind me and you tell me. This is my California background, so if we're live on YouTube and California background is there, well, that means we're there. That means we're in Cali. Cali. James Hanford said, "Let's make a little bit of money." I like that. I'm gonna put my Red Bull. I got 2 Red Bulls. Like I knew I need 1 Red Bull. Oh man. Last night, Victoria made some smash burgers. They were pretty fucking good. Y'all like smash? How you like your hamburgers, chat? You like them thick? You like them thin? You like them? How you like them? How you like those smash burgers? You tell me. You tell me. We got some big stuff going on this week. Obviously, still kind of talking about the Ninja Trader Cup If you have not signed up, it is free to sign up. As you can see, there are 7,220 people signed up now for qualifier 2. So it will fill up at some point. If you didn't have an opportunity to sign up for the qualifier 1, no big deal. You can still sign up for qualifier 2. It is free to sign up. Looks like we got 6 days. So the 19th is what? Next Tuesday. So next Tuesday we'll be trading the NinjaTrader Cup live on YouTube and having fun with that. So if you have not signed up for NinjaTrader Cup, well, it's your opportunity to do it, baby. It's your opportunity to do it. That's right. That's right. Oh my Lord, what is this doing right now? Diego's gonna win qualifier number 2. I like it. Thomas said burger vegan. Ew. Burger vegan? That sounds terrible. No. We can't be doing that right now. We can't be talking about burger vegans. Not today, chat. Not today. We got to get serious today. We got to make some money today. We got to stay focused today. No bullshit today. Right? No bullshit. Let's make some money. Overnight, NASDAQ up there, 29,400. Almost got to all-time highs again. I believe there's a delegation or something going on in China this week. Right? Some news. So some news. I've also got my Take Profit Trader accounts ready to go. Got my Take Profit Trader accounts ready to go today. Ooh, buddy. Ooh, buddy. You can have up to 5 accounts with Take Profit Trader, and then once you get into the Pro Plus account, you can actually basically just get daily payouts. There's like 0 rules other than obviously losing the account, but pretty goated. Pretty goated. Is that what the kids say these days? Goated, right? It's so goated. It's so goated. Right now, NASDAQ kind of holding up there around the VWAP for now, so we'll see what happens here. Big move down. PPI numbers came out there 8:30, pulled back into the previous 15-minute open, and now just kind of hanging out at the top of that range. So all-time high is not that far away. Is it another fucking up day, or long day? So what's ChatGPT saying for today? Well, should we ask ChatGPT, chat? Should we ask it? Let's ask it. All right, Mr. ChatGPT. Let's go, Mr. ChatGPT. Let's see what we got here. Explain explain the possible move here on NASDAQ futures at open today, at New York open today, based on the 15-minute chart and recent geopolitical influence. Identify key levels to take profit and enter trades. Let's see what it says. All right, the 15-minute NQ chart is setting up for a very important New York Open because the market is caught between a bullish tech momentum versus inflation, oil, and geopolitical pressure. Overnight, futures stabilized after yesterday's sell-off, but the macro backdrop is still fragile because CPI came in hotter than expected. Oil remains elevated. Yields are still high. Traders are debating whether the Fed will stay restrictive longer. At the same time, AI and semiconductor leadership is still supporting dip buyers in NASDAQ. What is the 15-minute chart saying? Overnight bounce, recovered strongly, but price failed under 29,400 resistance. Current candle shows rejection back into the opening range. The market is currently balanced overnight ORH 29,290 over, what is that? Oh, what is ORL? Overnight? Over what? Opening range low? Oh, opening range low. Oh, it's like looking at the opening range. It says that means that New York Open likely becomes expansion. So highest probability scenario 1, bearish New York Open sweep, then reversal, most likely. This is the highest probability path based on elevated geopolitical fear. What are you doing? Likely sequence, New York Open, quick flush under the low, stops get triggered, price test 29.50, possibly 29,000. Buyers attempt to reclaim. This is classic. Liquidity sweep before directional move. Key levels, pivot resistance, maybe support, 29,120. Momentum flush zone, below 29,000, we're flushing, obviously. Highest probability momentum trades. Wait for the flush below the opening range low, bounce back towards the VWAP, sellers absorb the bounce, short the failed reclaim. Bullish reversal long, opening range low gets swept, but price immediately reclaims VWAP. So, Dodie Coyote says that he can't watch live, it always lags. Well, I mean, I don't think it's me. Fuck. I think it's just YouTube's having issues. I don't know. Yeah, make sure you put your settings at 1080p. Yeah, I don't know. Right now, you're almost 2 minutes off. I'm really not, though. I swear, I'm really not off right now. Look at the time here. The time should be pretty much exactly. You should be like a 5-second delay. How much time you got? 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds. Yeah, I mean that's about as good as it's gonna get. Yeah, make sure you refresh your stream. Make sure it's live. Brave Day says 2 minutes off. There's no way it's 2 minutes off. You gotta refresh you, bro. Refresh the stream. Yeah, make sure the live button, you select the live button. All right, that's important. You gotta make sure when you're on the live that you click live. See that little button right there? Click the live. If you don't have it on live, then obviously there will be a delay. So Victoria said there's a bunch of noobs in the chat. It's fucked up. It's fucked up. It's fucked up, man. Look, it's Inception. It's a live of a live of a live. Look, we're live. Let me see. Let me see if there's a delay on my side when I'm looking at the stream here. Whoa. Well, it's me. So many. We need more likes. Look at that. More likes. More likes. Come on, hit the likes. Hit the likes. Let's see how fast the likes go up when we show them. Can we get 1,000 likes here on the stream? Can we get 1,000 likes here on the stream? They're going up. They're 500, 535, 535. More likes, more likes, more like. Oh, 583. Yeah, there's like a slight, like a very minuscule delay. BOGO, 50% off, baby. It's basically buy one get one free. Basically. With 50 right off, like 50% off is kind of like buy one get one free, basically. We're at 718 now. We're going for 1,000 likes before the market opens. Let's show D Money who's the boss. Let's show D Money who's the boss. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Show D Money who the boss is. I got my 4 Take Profit Trader live accounts here to trade today. And we're trying to make a little bit of money. Right now, the NASDAQ is kind of holding up here at that 280, 290 area. Will she start to roll over and break to the downside here? We're going to find out very, very, very soon. We got about 10 minutes here. 10 minutes. We're also, I'm going to trade some NVIDIA here as well. Now it's lagging. Just kidding. All right, we're back. We're going to look for, well, NVIDIA gapped up today, so we'll see what happens on NVIDIA at open, if it's going to pull back and fill that gap. But looking to trade NVIDIA here today as well through Warbucks. So we'll see. Ooh, what happens. What happens, chat? If you guys have not signed up for the Ninja Trader Cup, I keep saying it because, you know, y'all be silly not to sign up. It's free to sign up. Shout out to Ninja Trader, putting on a big tournament. We got the Tradeify tournament going on as well. So a lot of stuff going on right now. Big time popping. There are currently 7,000 people signed up for the Qualifier 2. The first qualifier is already full of BDH members, but we can still fill it up. Put 3,000 more. Put 3,000 more BDH members in qualifier 2, right? Spread out our attack plan. You know, we don't want to have too much of our too many of our soldiers, you know, battling each other. We want to spread them out. Spread them out. Spread them out, people. We're gonna spread them out. We got 857 likes here. What are we doing, chat? What are we doing? What are we doing right now? What are we doing? What are we doing, chat? This can't be for real. This can't be for real right now. Draco BDH, who's got the best name in the tournament? Tell me your names. Tell me your names. So what is the overnight high and low? Well, I mean, how will we ever know? Well, we look at the chat right now. Overnight high right now, 29,445, and the overnight low, big range here, about a 400-point range overnight, so it's going to get crazy. Only longs, BDH. That seems like an interesting name for a trading tournament. Only long BDH. What if the market goes down on next week? What are you going to do then? What are you going to do then, sir? What are we going to do then? Look at, they don't even ask me anymore about giveaways. They just ask Denny. People, Young Prince BDH, let's go. They don't even ask. They don't even ask me about giveaways. They just ask Denny now. Wow. I'm like chop liver around here. Chop fucking liver. Chop fucking liver. I told, I'm trying to get Denny, seeing if Denny wants to move to the BDH. What do you guys think, chat? Should Denny move to the BDH and start streaming from 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock every night? It could be fun. It could be fun. Denny. Denny's gonna move out of the control room and into the trading room. Need a test stream first? Well, I mean, we're just gonna, no test. He's just gonna move his whole family to the BDH and then start streaming. Oh man. Denny. Denny's gotta be live on YouTube. He's gotta be so funny. He's gonna have a lot of funny stories. He's how long were you in the military for, Denny? How long were you in the military? Raw dog, no test. Exactly. Is Denny a trader? I mean, he's a retired veteran, okay? 8 years of service to our country, deployed 4 times. I think he can handle a little bit of trading. You know what I mean? I think Denny can handle it. I think Denny can handle a little bit of trading. He's got 8 years in the military. He'll be all right. He'll be all right. No, Denny does not get a G-Wagon. Denny does not get a G-Wagon. Denny gets a Chrysler Pacifica. Denny, I'm gonna get Denny a real nice van for his kids and his family. Bro. Dude, Denny, I got you, dog. Look at this thing. Ooh, 2026 Chrysler Pacifica. Oh, Denny, bro. Come on, Denny. Denny gotta be looking so good in that thing. I think it's time, Denny. Chrysler Pacifica. Look at that. It actually don't look too bad. Like if I had a family, no, I wouldn't drive it. I wouldn't. Never mind. I'm kidding. But yeah, no, Denny's definitely getting the Pacifica. Can Denny dunk? I think the chance of Denny dunking is about as high as the chance of D-Money dunking. So, yeah, I don't know. Only $40,000. I mean, that's actually expensive. $50,000 for a fully loaded minivan. God damn. Denny said he got no chance of doing of dunking. No dunking. Dunkin' Donuts. All right, so kind of an interesting setup here. You'd have to think maybe there's some pullback coming, but this market has just been going higher and higher. Look at NVIDIA right now, 224, 225. What do you guys think, chat? Up or down? Up or down? We got a poll here in the chat. Let's see. We got about 4 minutes here. 4 minutes till market opens. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, blow it up for me. Can you link a Warbucks account to Tradevate? You cannot. You have to, not right now. Maybe in the future, but right now we don't have Tradevate at Warbucks. So it's time to party. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Diego, wow, bro, you really killed it there. Really great observation, sir. Right now, 62% of the chat are saying we're going up, and 39% say we're going to go down. Denny said 50% off all take profit trader accounts. Use the code PW. Oh, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. All right, well, here we go. 3 minutes till market opens. We got a poll in the chat. 62% voting up, 38% voting down. What does that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean? Let's see what happens here at open. Da 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 da. We're getting closer and closer to open here. Right now, the poll, 62% up, 38% down. It is time. The market is about to open. You got a minute 20. A minute 20. We got 1,000 likes. We're going places, people. We're going places. We're going to the moon. Trying to make a little bit of money here. Overnight high, 29,443. Overnight low, 29,000 area. We're in the middle of that big range here. So let's be patient. Let's be patient. Let's make a little bit of money. We got oil pushing up here, 102 right now. It's going to be a wild and crazy open here either way. So Nvidia is gapped up, big gap on Nvidia. So got to see what happens here now. Do we go to the moon or do we dump city like a dump? We've got the data low came out there as well, 29,198 level data low. Right now we're holding above the VWAP here. So let's go. Your picture post looks like a Tinder picture. It's not even close to real image. What? What does that mean? Five, four, three, two, one. Here we go. Dump city here so far. I think if we get back above 300 here strong, could be some pump to the upside. Let it kind of pull back and then rip up there above 300 possibly. But right now, just kind of letting it pull back here. We've got that like 29,160 area down there. Previous day close as well. So haven't seen you in a while, Jordan said. Well, I've been here, Jordan. Where have you been? Jordan. Mr. Jordan, where have you been? Still just kind of holding that 260 area. Pulling back here a little bit, 250s. Being patient, Still pulling back. Kind of stalling out there though. Stalling out at the 260s for now. If we push back up like 280 area and then get stuck, I might look to short, but let's see what happens. This is the 5-minute chart right now. Yes, we're on the 5-minute chart. We've got that data low down there, 29,200. Right now pulling back decently hard. Everything's pulling back. Yep. Nvidia is not though. Nvidia is pumping. That looks fun. Should I buy some Nvidia? How many can I buy? 500, no, 50 shares of Nvidia. Let me see what happens. All right, we got 50 shares of Nvidia here on Warbucks. Put my sell up there towards that 229 area. We'll see if we get it, but I might add into that on the pullback as well. But right now, I am still flat on futures, so let's see what happens. It's still just kind of pulling back slowly pulling back here. Strong push off the 220s now. Strong push. Kind of similar to yesterday, right? That 5-minute candle pushing straight back up here now. So I think if we get back above like 280s here, I'm looking for a long, right? So let's see. Just patience. Patience. Oh. ES is looking weak. If we keep getting stuck here, I might look for a short, like it's gonna, you know, break the downside, but we just took out that candle high. We're below that EMA there. Now it's basically like, if we get back up here, will we push? It is wicking, but this high, I think basically above 270, we can try to push back up here, but it's got to be patient. Bum, 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 bum. Pushing here again, 260s. 5-minute candle trying to close here. 5-minute candle is going to have a nice little wick on the bottom there, right? So we're still long on NVIDIA here in my Warbucks account. You can see right there. You can trade stocks with Warbucks for as little as $36. Let's see if NVIDIA is going to just pump out of here now. I'll go for like that. We'll go for like 228 here. Don't get greedy with it. NVIDIA still pushing. NVIDIA is strong. I see that. Someone said the GUI platform is too hard. I mean, you trade on the chart, I don't know. I wouldn't say it's too hard, is it? Is it too hard? Is it too hard? Right now, NASDAQ still just stuck here, not really going anywhere, so. It's kind of forming like a higher low, trying to like, so basically now it's like if we can get back above these candles highs, I like the longs, right? I like the longs back above this candle highs. But just being patient for now, because this also could start to roll over here. It's just interesting how strong NVIDIA is, right? NVIDIA normally is a big driver here. Just couldn't get above that, so now pulling back down. I'm gonna try a short here to lose this bottom really quickly. Take out this low, try to move back down towards the gap fill. Boom, okay, I like it. Nice little 12 points, easy. Because the idea, look how strong that candle was, and basically just thinking that we're gonna take out those lows there just for a quick little hit, you know. Obviously, would have been a lot better to get short up here, but it kind of just, it went straight down there, so. We'll take it. We'll take it. NVIDIA having a little bit of trouble getting up through the 227s for now, but let's see what happens here next. I'm interested to see if they're going to try to rip this back up off the lows now, this 200 level, right? Could we rip back up off the lows? Very possible. We have this gap fill, right? That dotted line down there is the gap fill. So if you haven't already, you know, understood that these gaps are a big player, that's where we closed at yesterday, that dotted line. So it's a free option on TradingView. If you go on TradingView, go to your settings, you can actually just go stick to scales and lines, and then it pops up right there, previous day close. So that way you always know exactly where the market closed the previous day. Kind of nice. So. All right, so there's a couple theories here, right? The couple theories, we broke the 5-minute range to the downside right now. So you kind of, you start thinking that there's shorts setting up here, right? There's more shorts setting up. So now we got to see if we can get like another rejection to the upside, right? If we push up here, get rejected again, we could have more short to the downside, try to move back down there 160 area below this 200 next. Kind of getting rejected again there. I'm going to try a short one more time for a new low here. Going for another 10 points. Ooh. Oof. Oh my Lord, come on. There we go, another 10 points. I'm not getting the best entries for these, so I'm kind of just not being greedy, right? Because it's just like getting these low breaks. I don't love it. I don't want to get it to like swipe the low and then rip right up. But we'll take some little scalps here and there. You know, little scalps here and there. They do add up. They do add up. That's 500 times 5. Well, 488 times 5. So we're making progress. We got a lot to go still, but I'd rather just be careful. You know, when I'm shorting down here at the bottom, I'm not going to go for 100-point moves just because I don't have a good entry, right? So really just need a better like bear flag setup. This obviously from the 260 area would have been juicy, right? Because then you could have really gave it some room to work. But right now we're back down here to the previous day close, that 170 area, and then we'll see how it plays out from there. So just trying to be safe here, right? And look, see how that rips right back up? That's what we don't want. We don't want to be short here and then have to sit through this rip back up for no reason. Just got to be cautious. You know, just got to be cautious here. Little scalpy scalp. There you go. Getting rejected once again. I mean, it could. I wouldn't say that there's any reason that it has to stop here. You got downside potential for sure on the bigger time frames. You've got like maybe all the way back down there 29,000s, but we just need like a better entry here, right? That would be the better that just a better. We need a better entry for a short. Get a nice little push back up and then get rejected and then look for an entry short. You know, that would be the idea here. Not a crazy idea, just a simple idea. Just a simple idea. Know what I mean? Know what I mean, chat? It's a simple idea. Just looking for a simple idea here. $15-minute chart is still obviously still forming that first 15-minute range, but we are getting a little pushback up here. I want to see if we could maybe like tap 230s, like take out these wicks and then see what happens. Like if we get denied up here again, that would be maybe my short entry. But look at how strong that is right back up. So again, that's what happens when you're shorting at the bottom down here. You know, you got to be careful because you can get these very quick rips back up. And I mean, it's hard to get short here right now. I got to be patient. Let this figure out what it's going to do. Ripping back up here now. V-shaped recovery. Very possible. V-shaping. And kind of the same exact idea, right? If we get the push, let's say we get a push up here and then we build out a bull flag, well, then we look for, you know, a nice little setup. 15-minute chart looking very, very bullish right now, pushing back up there. This 5-minute candle trying to engulf the entire previous 5-minute candle right now. We got the VWAP right there, 270 area. So we got to get back above the VWAP. Now you can basically play this, you know, opening range breakout. So opening range high right now is 288s. If we can push above 288s, well then I think you've got the all-time high push, right? I mean, oh my Lord, look at this pullback, this push right now. I'm so happy we are not short off the bottom anymore. I want to see what happens here, right? Like this is a key level. Are we going to get a little bit of a pullback? Could maybe dip our toes into a long right here. Just want to see how it like bounces at 240s. How does it bounce there? See, like now I don't like that. See how it just got rejected all the way back down? Definitely, I wouldn't want to buy. Ooh, oh my, bro. What in the fuck? This is crazy work. That candle right now is insane. I mean, at this point, break through 260. I think if we break through the VWAP there, 300 looks very, 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 very doable. This is exactly kind of like yesterday's price action, right? Just very volatile, and then finally, you know, the market started moving. So if you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe, and we got 1,100 likes here on the stream. We got 5,000 people watching, 5,300 motherfucking people watching. Y'all want to win something today? We got some giveaways going down. Who wants to win? We need more love, more support. Give me some support, chat. Need some support here. NASDAQ just holding up here, man. Is it prime time or what? Is it prime time? Is it prime time for a squeeze? I think basically above 260, I'm long, looking for a push to the 300s. Right? I might get clapped. I don't know. It might pop 260 and then come right back down, but I mean, we got China going on today. The tech CEOs joining Trump in China today, so that's obviously big news for tech. So wow, look at this reversal already on that 5-minute candle. It's crazy. That's why I said you got to be careful here. Very volatile. We don't want to just get long just because. We want to be patient here. That looks like it wants to definitely take out these lows now, though, huh? I'm trying to short here to take out these lows. A little scalpy. We're going to stay with the scalps going today, boys. For now, at least. All right, we'll take it. That's 3 trades in a row, 3 10-pointers in a row. Not every trade's going to be a money, but that's a nice little, we'll take it. You can see how that looked like it just wanted to take out those lows now. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. NVIDIA pulling back hard too here as well, so could be in trouble on NVIDIA. I'm gonna try a short on NVIDIA now to see if we're gonna fill this gap some on my Warbucks account. I was long but got stopped out, basically break even there. So if NVIDIA can pull back like to the bottom of this candle 220 area, that'd be perfect, right? Maybe. Let's see. Wow, look at the NASDAQ dumping right now. NASDAQ down there downtown like Charlie Brown. You got a pivot point coming up 120 area, chat. 120s. 120s down there. Some of the news is not good here. Some of the news is not good. See what happens at that pivot point, 120. Wow, what a dump. From the 240s right down there to the 140s now. You gotta love that. You gotta love that, chat. It hurts, but it does happen. Oh, wowzers. Shoo. Whoever was just shorting all those pops this morning made money. Made real nice money today. Short the pops. Gap fill. Yeah, we filled the gap. Now still going lower. Let's see what happens down here now. 5-minute chart looks like some trouble down here. Like, I think if we bust right through the 100s, I'll look for a long. I'm gonna try a long here just to try it. Should get like a 20-30 point pop back up off this 100 area. Unless it's just it's fucking Armageddon, the world's ending. Yeah, the world's ending. Never mind. No bounces today. We're going for that overnight low, I guess. 29,077 area. She's still dumping. We have had no bounce here on this 5-minute candle. No bounce at all. Trump and China's bearish news. Oh, man. Trump. My short on NVIDIA looks pretty good right now. Still moving down. We're up $400 on that short on NVIDIA. NASDAQ trying to push. I think we can just like get 20 points here on this pop back up. Come on. This is a lot of selling pressure. Down there to the lows now, but we'll see. Boom. Get another one up here. Give me another one up here. 129s. Love it. We love it. We love it. NVIDIA's still pulling back. I mean, I just thought, like, if you look at the chart here, you know, it's like, it's just shoo. And that's what we're looking for. Just these, like, little reaction pops, right? You know, I get it. You might say that it's gambling, that I'm retarded, blah, blah, blah. But, I mean, it is what it is, right? It is what it is, chat. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. I mean, it could be setting up for another short here too, though. Just want to be careful here. Where are we at? We still have not taken out the overnight low yet. That was a nice little push back up to the EMA. Rejected hard there at 150s. Back to the hundreds again. See if we're gonna push back up here a little bit, get denied. Look for a wick on the top of this candle and then a short to the downside. But that, I don't, if this pushes up, and then I wouldn't get short again. See, like, yeah, it's gotta be. Patience. Yeah, see, like, I wouldn't get short there right now because there's no wick here. You need like a wick. You want that rejection at the 150 area, right? It's just not rejecting right now. NVIDIA, a little bit of a pullback here. This is my Warbucks account. We're trading NVIDIA. So now we just kind of wait like this, right? We wait for like this bear flag to kind of play out. Basically, like if we keep pushing, that's fine. But then it's like we're waiting for the next candle to break a low. Is what my plan would be here. But look at that. I mean, that's fucking from the 100 area. That's like almost 50 points. PW, you seem so much calmer since you've been in California. I don't know. Do I? Do I? I don't know. PW, blew my Lucid account yesterday. Is it better to reset them or just buy new ones? Yeah, I guess look at the pricing. Look at the pricing, my friend. I mean, that's really what it comes down to. The pricing. Early morning. Yeah, no, it is early morning. It is only 6:52 in the morning here. ChatGPT was right for 3 consecutive days, possibly. 29,200. Will we get resistance there for another short opportunity? This is kind of exactly what happened earlier, right? We got back above that 9 EMA, and then you can see once we get back below it, that's when the waterfall starts. So we'll see what happens. Nvidia, fuck, just right back up. God damn it. Nvidia is pushing right back up again. 223 on Nvidia. Oil's going nowhere. Nasdaq's showing some strength here. Is resetting the same as having a fresh account? Yes. If you reset your account, it's a fresh account afterwards. Oh my God, did I just pick the fucking... God. Oh, man. That sucks. We tried the bounce play down there. That's hard. I mean, I mean, how the fuck do you know it's gonna... Like, what the fuck? How does anybody know it's going to do that? Like, how does anybody know it's going to bounce like that? Nobody knows. It's crazy. It's crazy. Nvidia right back up as well. So Nvidia showing a lot of strength here. ChatGPT called it. Did ChatGPT call it? Dude, look at ChatGPT called out take profit level on ChatGPT this morning. Take profit 1 for a short was 29,120. You gotta love it. Fucking ChatGPT. For the bullish reversal, the opening range gets swept, but price immediately reclaims VWAP. I think it still got some more room until it gets to VWAP. So, damn, we got a $50 donation here. Got a payout today. Thanks, PWBDH, for all that you do for the givers, the giveaway accounts, the cold hard cash, and what you do for the trading community. It's inspiring. I'm running a Trading Lucid account giveaway on your X. I'm giving away an account. Oh, look at this guy. He's going hard in the paint. We got fucking Santa Claus over here. We got Santa Claus giving away accounts. All right. So, is this now just going to reverse all the way back down and go for those lows down there? Or are we going to put in a higher low here? I think if we lose the 150 area, we could sell back down, but let's see what happens. Right now, stuck there at the EMA. Ugh. We got a pivot point at the 120 area. We're right there at yesterday's close as well, so they kind of need to hold this 150 area. Looks like the sellers are winning right now, so I'm waiting to see if we basically break through here and try to get this short down. Just be careful because it could be a higher low being formed here. Yeah, ES is kind of rounding. NASDAQ's kind of just holding. Are you currently in profit? No money today. I have not made any money today. Sorry. I make no money. We're only here to look at the charts, to talk about the charts, to look at the charts, to look at the chart, to talk about the chart. No money be making. We be making no money today. We be making no money today. Ugh. It's like I kind of like. I really want to try this short, but I just don't want this to be a higher low. That's what I'm debating, right? I'm debating. See, that's what I didn't want to see happen. Yep. Exactly what I did not want to see. So I'm actually going to try a long here because I like the fact that we're putting in this higher low and see if we get a quick little pop up there above the 200s now. She's trying, but stuck there for now. Stop here is below this 150 area. Good job. Fuck me. I want to see it just go here. Go here. Nope. Struggle bus here. If we get below 160, I'm gonna get out of the trade. Looks like we're getting below it here. Giving it a second. See how we react there, but yeah, I'm out. There's no reason to stay in that for now. Just go still holding there at the 150s though, but if we lose that 150 area, we should dump here. Wow. Just chop city here. Chop city, feeling pretty. All my little friends are on the city bus. The ES is pushing back up. NASDAQ's stuck here, going nowhere. ES is climbing, NASDAQ's not. Fuck me. What's he gonna do here? Market is just chopping around here at the 160s, going sideways now. Tap, tap, tapping, stuck at the 170s. All right, good time to just be patient here. This market is going absolutely fucking nowhere. Gotta love it. Chop Chop City here. And back up again. I'm trying this long. Fuck me. This is one of those days where it's just gonna be Chop Chop City here, but we keep testing that 150 area. See if we can push through here now. Nope. Barcode. Barcoding. Barcoding. Just barcoding. Wow. If we lose 150s, I'm out again. God damn it. Someone says, why am I losing today? I don't know, man. Sometimes win, sometimes lose. Can't always win. It's all good. We'll be better tomorrow, maybe. Yep, she's gone. Oh, fuck me, bro. This market. I don't care. It's all good. It's all good. We're just sitting here. Someone goes, why did I get long after the worst inflation data? You think that data really moves the market, bro? Come on. Shit's not real. None of this shit's real. People be like, Patrick, why would you get long? They got the worst data ever. It don't mean shit. You think the data matters? You think the data moves the market? You think the market's getting moved by data, people? If the market was getting moved by data, the fucking market would not be at all-time high because you got no money. The fucking people are insane. Patrick, the market only moves based on data. No. It's all fake. None of this shit's real. Not short term, all terms. Like, just, I don't even care. I'm closing the chat and I'm not even reading it for the rest of the day. So it's just like every day it's an argument with people in the chat to tell me that I'm an idiot, that I don't know. Like, why watch then? It makes no sense. I've never seen more unhappy people in the world. How is it that how do I get all the most unhappy, most just retarded people in the world watching my live stream every day? It's got to be crazy. It's crazy. How do they all find me? How did all the people find me? It's crazy. Hey, look, it's going back up. Oh my God. Why would anybody get long? Why would anybody get long? Why would anybody get long? Oh. Chop, chop, chopping, feeling choppy. Oh, so choppy. Patrick, for the second day in a row, you blew my account. Why do you enjoy this? You owe me money. Okay. Sounds good. God. I didn't blow shit. I don't know what you're talking about. All right, well, NASDAQ is absolutely chopping here. The barcode is real. It's just the insane barcode. Insane barcode. Steve Miller says, I thought we trade momentum. Well, I mean, it's not, there's no momentum right now, bro. There's no momentum here. What do you want me to do? Why get long if the market is in a downtrend? Oh, God. Guys, listen, I'm like, how do I just turn the fucking chat off? How do I just turn it off? Just turn off the fucking chat. We're going members only. I don't give a fuck. Members only for the rest of the day. Everybody else can suck my dick. Why go long? Look, it's now. Yeah, well, Patrick, why would you get long? Look, why? Why would you do that, Patrick? Why would you ever get long? I don't know, man. Why would you sit here and try to ask me stupid fucking questions? That's what I want to know. Why do you ask me stupid fucking questions? That's exactly what I want to know. Patrick, why would you ever tell me to do something? Why? I'm long. God. I'm looking to add here too, possibly like on this pullback here. Looking for this 200 push here. We are long, we are strong. We might be wrong, but we are long. When we are long, we are strong, and we are strong, we are long. Longy dongy, strongy dongy. Get up there, try to get to the VWAP possibly. Fuck, man. I just don't want to go. It don't want to go, chat. It don't want to go. It don't want to go. Struggle bus. Struggle, 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 bussin'. Bus, struggle bus. Bussin', bussin'. Bussin', bussin'. Bussin'. Oh, God. Chop, chop, chopping. Feeling choppy. Feeling choppy. Oh, so choppy. Yeah, this is not looking hot. ES is pulling back. Nvidia looks like it's pulling back. I don't fucking know, man. Someone said, PW, wait till 210 breaks. Well, I'm already fucking long, bro. What would you like me to do? How would you like me to do? What would you like me to do here, sir? Get out of the trade? What would you like me to do? You know, I can't get re-long. I can't cancel the trade out and just you know. All right, I'm out. Oh, we're going all in short. The chat has said it. All in short. Guaranteed to hit now. Guaranteed to hit now. Guaranteed. Guaranteed to hit. Guaranteed to hit. Patrick, it's a short. Patrick, I wouldn't go short here. Patrick, I wouldn't go, I would go short. And then people wonder why I do not listen to the chat. Why the fuck would I listen to the chat? Because this is what happens. Like, are you fucking kidding me? That's crazy. Absolutely fucking crazy, man. There you go, you fucking retard. Where's the fucking rooster? Hey, City Rooster, you're banned for life now. Don't ever come back. Don't ever give advice. Just get out. Get out, bro. Motherfucking retards. And this is the problem, right? Everybody every day, Patrick, do this, do this. It's not a long, Patrick. It's not a long. It's not a long, Patrick. It is fucking insanity. It is fucking insanity, man. God fucking damn it. So fucking pissed off right now. Because it's like literally fucking insanity. That's what it is. It's fucking insanity that anybody comes in here and tries to tell me how to fucking trade. You can't fucking trade yourself, you idiot. That's why you're watching me. It's crazy. And the only reason I did that is so that everybody in the chat can see why there is no point in me listening to the fucking chat. There is zero fucking point. Fucking insane, man. Fucking insane. Look at that, all the way back to the fucking VWAP, just like I said. But Patrick, it's a short. Patrick, it's not a long, it's a short. Patrick, why are you, what? Look, Patrick, what are you doing? It's a short, not a long. Are you fucking, look at this. I want everybody to see this. This is fucking proof that the chat has no fucking idea what they're talking about. Look at that. Oh my God, 240 now. That's almost 100 points. Insanity. Fucking insanity, man. It's still going, by the way. Still fucking going. Fucking sanity, man. Fucking sanity. God, oh my God, I'm so fucking pissed. It's my fault. It's my fault. It's not. It's my fault. It's my fault for even. No, it's my fault. Why the fuck do I even? It's just, yeah, no, it's just fucking stupid. This whole thing is fucking stupid. Fucking retarded. It's fucking retarded, honestly. Like, what the fuck? You gotta be kidding me right now. Are you fucking kidding me? Look at this. God, like, it's fucking insanity. That's 100 points. That's 100 fucking points. That's 100 points in the exact opposite direction that the NASDAQ went after the chat told me that it was a short. Fucking insane, man. Fucking insane. It's fucking insane. I swear to fucking, it's insanity. Oh, God. What a joke. Why would you listen? Like I said, I don't fucking know why. I just wanted to prove a point for everybody in the chat who's always chit. I want everyone to see why I don't listen to the chat. And now everybody got to see. There's a good example. Everybody watching now gets to know why I'm where I am and the chat is where they are. You know? That now we know. Now everybody knows. All right? Everybody is everybody understanding? Everybody's understanding, right? Everybody knows. Insanity. Fucking insanity, bro. Oh, God. Insanity. Patrick, you are the one who do the click. Be responsible. Roxanne, I don't get. Take your fucking $9 and shove it up your fucking ass. I am not fucking. It has nothing to do with responsibility. It's the fact that I wanted everyone to see what happens when I listen to the chat. What happens when I listen to the chat? And now everybody sees. And now we prove the point that we don't need to listen to the chat ever again. Because it never goes well. God. So I'm trying to, she paid $10 to talk shit to me. You need that money more than I do, Roxanne. Trust me. You need it more than I do. Keep your money. Insanity. Whatever. All right, NASDAQ above the VWAP there now, so we'll see. Where does she go from here? Where do you go, Cotton Eye Joe, Cotton Eye Joe, Cotton Eye Joe, Joe. Another long setup here or what? It's gonna go to the moon today. Moon today. Nvidia pushing back up here now. NASDAQ trying to push up here. I'm trying to long here. I'm gonna try to on this more on the pullback. Looking for that opening range breakout possibly. It'll probably be a short now, and then everybody can tell me I told you. Fuck. Trying to make money over here. It's hard. It's hard to make money, chat. As long as we're closing above the EMA here, that's what we want to see, right? We want to close above the EMA. We get back below 220, I'd be out of the long, maybe. I don't like this fucking 5-minute candle. Just look like Dooku in the poo-poo. Need this like blast off right here, right now. It needs to blast off, blast off, blast off. Need a blast off here. And then once we break this candle high, I'm gonna add as well. I'm adding there. All right. Going for that possibly 300 area. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Sometimes bad, sometimes good dog shit. Sometimes bad, sometimes good. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Is Nvidia pumping or what? Nvidia's trying to pump. Literally just missed out on a 100-point fucking move up and then now get stuck in the chop again. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. It's you know, it is what it is. It's comedy. It's comedy, chat. We're here to have this is a comedy show. This is a comedy show, chat. This ain't a trading show. We're here to make people laugh. Hopefully everybody watching is laughing right now because I'm laughing. Yeah, buddy. No, I'm laughing. Oh, yeah. This is not going well. It's definitely a short. 100% a short. Damn it. Just stuck here now. The 5-minute candle, we're staying above the VWAP here. We're back above these EMAs. We're in the middle of the opening range. We just need more momentum, obviously, to the upside here. Nvidia just kind of struggling over there. So Nvidia now pulling back again. So, oh God, I can't do everything, Chad. I can't be perfect. I can't be perfect. You had a fucking 100-point fucking 5-minute candle and then chop. More choppity chop. It's currently 10:30. 10:30. Can we get a push? Can we get a push? I mean, realistically, 350s is possible. Realistically, I think 350. Like, if we start to go here, we get through 300, and then it's like 350, right? Right? Someone said, I always say beat it to blow off some steam. Beat what? What are you beating, sir? What are you beating, sir? What's he talking about beating? What beating what? What are you beating, sir? Hopefully not beating your dick, you fucking weirdo. Hopefully not your dick, you little weirdo. Market is going up here. It's obviously a good sign, but kind of put some targets out here, not so that way we're not full retards, but we'll take a little bit of profit here. Still looking, I still think 350 is very doable if this momentum continues like this. That's a 40-point trade. Not to toot my own horn, but somebody earlier said that the PPI data was so bad that today was nothing but a short. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're right. You're definitely right about that. No doubt about that. Only shorts today. I would definitely not go long ever. Would just only go short all day long. Bad data, bad shorts. Bad data, bad shorts. We got 1,500 likes here on the stream. Can we get some more? Can we get some more? Well, trouble there below 300 for now. Can we get more push though? If we break, kind of build out a flag and then break to the upside, I'll look to add as well. We'll add all the way to fucking 350, baby. Bang, 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 bang. I like this hourly pushback up here. Just need to get through 300 and then it's like up into here, I think, right? I mean, this previous little area of interest here. You got 20 minutes on this hourly candle. The last hourly candle high is 303. Right, 303 is the last candle high. Again, just stuck here pulling back. Nvidia did push back up, but now right back down 240. So the chop continues. We are still long, but gotta see what happens here. I took no profit. I took no profit. Classic. Oh, God. I mean, I don't know. If we can't hold 220, I'm going to get stopped out. So fuck me. Right back down. Oh, God. It's painful. It's fucking painful. This chop, man, is insane. Right back up again. Crazy. Crazy. We broke the opening range low. We have not broken the open range high. Now we're just consolidating at the VWAP. I mean, if we lose, basically, if we lose this 5-minute candle lows, well then, look out to the downside, back to the 180s probably. But we're holding the VWAP for now, but just can't get moving up through there. Nvidia is right there, 224. Oil is pumping. Oil did pump some. Oil pulling back again. I don't know. Maybe it goes up, maybe it goes down. Maybe it goes nowhere. Wow. What a crazy market. Just flirting with me. Just flirting with my trade here. Nvidia trying to push, still long on Nvidia. God. NASDAQ truly just chopping. Truly chop city. Right there at the VWAP, just holding up middle of the range right now, so. How long can he go? This is when you gotta really love, just gotta love trading. Gotta love it. It's fun, right? We're having fun, right? We're having fun, right? Guys, we're having fun, right? Right? Like, we wouldn't do this if we weren't having fun, right? We don't. We would. Oh God. That higher low you called earlier for 150 points. I mean, I don't know. I'm not gonna say I called it. Uh-oh. Looks like we got some moves happening here. We got Nvidia pumping back up. If you guys have not checked out Warbucks, you can now trade stocks for as little as 36 bucks. So you can see right now I'm trading on the Warbucks platform. And Nvidia pumping here. We got 300 shares of Nvidia looking for a move up. I'd say like up into here, right? So let's see. We've also got the NASDAQ pumping here as well. We're right there at the top of this range. Can we get through there? Oh my Lord, come on chat, I need your help. Give me more likes. If we get more likes on the stream, it's gonna go. It's gonna go. It's gonna go, chat. Oh God. Never mind. Fucking A. Crazy. Crazy. It's absolutely crazy right now. We're still long here on the NASDAQ. Can we push? I kind of tempted to add. I'm tempted to add right here for the push above 300. 5-minute candle starting to break out. I don't know if it's a good idea or a bad idea. What do you think? I think maybe once we break above 280, I would add and then try to sell everything for the 300 push. And then again, right back down. Classic. Just classic. The DJ Crime, he's long since 29,173. Let's go. That's pretty good. Pretty good average. I wish I had your average right now, sir. Fucking A. What in the fuck, market? Got a 40-point range here. This is crazy. This is crazy work right now, chat. Crazy work. Something's brewing. I don't know what it is, but something is brewing. Something's brewing. God. God, chat. We're going into the 11 o'clock hour. We got about 15 minutes here, so we'll see what happens. If we look at the hourly candle right now, hourly candle got some room, you know, just thinking that we could try to push this body up there towards that 300 level. Take out that previous candle high in the last 15 minutes of this candle. So that would be ideal, obviously, but right now just stuck here. We just had a brand new 15-minute candle open. Body pulling back to the VWAP again. Just can't get through there. You got equal wicks there, so kind of a double top below the bottom of that range. It's gonna just be a battle of patience here. A battle of patience. Oh my God. Again, right back up. All right, same idea. I want to see a breakout through this 280 level, and then I'm selling for that push through the 300s. That's a 20-point push above that, so we're trying to maximize potential here. If I'm long and I'm strong and I'm, you know, dumb, well, maybe I'll look to make a little bit more money. Again, here we go. This thing's got to break, right? It's got to break. I'm adding. It's just got to break now. If it don't break, I don't know what to do. I'm adding. Just gonna add. We're gonna break it. I'm going crazy right now, chat. You're seeing this live. I'm on tilt. I'm on tilt. I'm on tilt. Oh my Lord. Hey, at least I show you this stuff, right? Your other gurus, they just pretend to never do this, but I do it live. Yeah, buddy. Oh my Lord. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Give me a push right here, right now, right here, right now, right here, right now, right here, right now, right here, right now. Push it, push it. Oh my Lord. 280s. The market makers are watching this stream. I mean, that's the only thing that I can think of. The only thing that I can think of right now is that the market makers are holding this market down because they know that I'm long right now. It's the only logical explanation. There's no other way to explain it. There is no other way to explain it, chat. I couldn't explain it any other way. Like, how is the market not broke through here? How did it not go? How? Chat, I'm having a mental breakdown over here, chat. I'm gonna need some help. I need Big Brawly Man to come give me a little back massage. Big Brawly Man, it's time for us to hang out, bro. Having a full meltdown right now. Big Brawly Man, where you at, man? Deep Money might be scared, but I'm not scared. I'm not scared, man. I'm not scared of a Big Brawly Man, because I'm a Big Brawly Man. Dude, chat, everyone has to agree, right? This is manipulation. The market makers are manipulating the market right now because they don't want me to get rich. They trying to keep me down, chat. They trying to stop me from getting rich. They trying to stop me right now. The market makers are trying to stop me from getting rich. And I call bullshit on it. Oh my Lord. How does this happen? How does this happen? I can't handle it anymore. This is absolutely crazy. This is the craziest shit I've ever seen in my life. Like, what the fuck? Like, this is crazy. Look at, now look at it, up again. It's crazy. This is fucking crazy right now. Chat, I can't do this anymore. Y'all gotta stop watching I got too many viewers. The market makers are watching. There's the only thing I can explain. The Jane Street, look at this, 280 again, tapping it. Nope, just kidding. Won't break out no matter what. 280 breaking. Do we get a bazooka? I need a bazooka here, chat. Bazooka, 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 bazooka. Bazooka, 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 bazooka. Almost hit. It almost hit. I got a song for it, chat. I got it. I got a song. I got the fucking song. I got the fucking song, man. Get ready.
You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. Pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, I can't. My target, oh, look, the market makers, again. Chat, this shit, it's rigged. This shit is rigged. You're telling me that it went up 60 points and then it stopped 25 cents from my target? How is that possible? You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up,
bro. These market makers are fucking with me really hard right now, chat. I can't deal with this anymore. No fucking way. fucking way. There is no fucking way. There's no fucking way, man. There's no fucking way here. Is that good? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. It's pulling back. This is not good. It's okay. It's okay. Like you do. So how does it feel? Me like you do. How to do? I thought I was the way.
Tell me how do I feel? Tell me now how do I feel? Those who came before me lived through devil.
Let's open the chat up for the retards begin. Put the retards back in the chat. Let's go. We're back, retards. It's only a short, right, Patrick? We're back. Retards are back. Guys, I'm going for my target. I already told you. We're going target here. We got 350 target up here. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
I see a ship in the harbor. I can't unshallow bay. But if it wasn't for your misfortune, I'd be a heavenly person today. And I thought I was mistaken. And I thought I heard
long on Nvidia in my Warbucks account as well, by the way. Shout out to Warbucks. We're up almost $800 right now in the Warbucks account. Haters gonna hate, players gonna play. God, I'm too fucking good! I'm too fucking good! All right, back to serious business here, chat. I wanna break something down really quickly. I wanna break it fucking down real quick, right? I want everybody in the fucking chat to see one simple thing, right? What did I do? I had a plan. I had a belief. I had a fucking system. I went in long, so fucking long. I was so fucking long. I'm gonna have to jerk off after this because I was so fucking long, man. But think about it like this, very simple, right? Very fucking simple. Very fucking simple today, boys. When the chat says it's a short, it's a long. That's all you need to know. When the chat says it's a short, it's a long. And why is that, Patrick? Well, because most of the fucking people in the chat are retarded. Not all of them, but most of them. Most of my people in the chat are fucking geniuses, and they're beautiful, and they're sexy, and they're the best looking studs in the whole fucking world, right? That's who they are. My chat, we got the hottest studs around. And I'm not talking about men. I'm talking about lesbians. There ain't no hotter lesbians on this planet, right? There ain't no hotter lesbians on this planet than the ones that watch the BDH show. And here you have it. Cha-ching! Can I get I want apologies. I want someone to apologize. I want some apologies. Let's break it down one more time, really fucking quickly here, right? Think about this. We had the 5-minute chart, right? We filled the gap, we pulled back. Well, what do we do after that? Look at this boner kit. It's a boner candle, right? That's a boner candle, chat. It ain't rocket science. It ain't rocket science. All right, but look at that. Look at that. Again, we took out the opening range low. We got back to the middle of the opening range low. We turned it into support. We bam to the upside. I saw a lot of people in the chat today talking about shorts. I get it, right? It's very easy to be like, oh, it's a short. I get it, right? I understand that. I'm not hating on you, but you have to kind of look at this thing and be like, hey, what could the bears not do, right? The bears could not what? They couldn't make a new low right here. So if they can't make a new low right here, that's telling me that there are buyers. They're defending it, right? There's that push up right to the 350. And now you might wonder, Patrick, why did you look for 350? Well, that is 50% of the opening range, right? That is 50% of the opening range. So you have this, the here to here, that's 50% of the opening range. So knowing that we were in the opening range for so long, that's a really good target. We basically expand out of here, we pull back, maybe we turn into support later, we go higher. But again, I'm not trying to toot my own horn here. I'm really not. But as you can see, where's the pullback now? Where's the pullback now? Where's the pullback now? Where's the pullback? Where is the pullback? Well, there it is. So, yeah, just, I don't know. I've been doing this a really long time. You know, I really have, and I know people don't believe me. They think I'm full of shit. They think I'm just a gambler. They think I have no idea what I'm doing, and I get it, right? It's easy to believe that, but if you really, truly watch the streams, if you truly watch the streams and you're a part of the community, I think people know at the end of the day that a few little choppy losers here and there, it happens, right? Like that shit, it's gonna happen. right? And the thing that your other gurus, the other live streamers aren't doing is they're not showing you the real emotions. They're playing, right? If you ever watched a live streamer, right, and they're like sitting there and they're all just like quiet and they're staring at the chart and they're kind of just like, you know, not really saying anything, that's because they're nervous as fuck. That's because they're scared as fuck that they're going to lose. And at least when you see me trade, I'm like, hey, I'm in. It's either going to it's going to blow or it's going to go. Right? And that's just like, that's what happens when you're a big dog, right? I'm a big dog. Do I blow up accounts? Yes. Do I fucking have a mental problem? Probably, yeah. Someone says that I hide my emotions well through comedy and charisma. I mean, earlier I was saying I need a mental health bust because I was having problems. But again, like, I get it, right? I might not be everybody's cup of tea, right? I get that. I do get that. But again, ain't nobody forcing anybody to watch this stream. You know, truly. Like, if you don't like me, if you think I'm full of shit, then just like save your breath. You know, go somewhere else. There are people here that I think do like me. I mean, we continuously have 4 times the views of any other live streamer on YouTube. So if I was truly that bad of a trader, then I think, you know, nobody would care, right? Nobody would watch. No one would talk about me. So that's it. That's all I got to say. My motivation of the day. But there you go. NASDAQ broke the exact target we were looking for, that 350 area. The high on that candle right there, my friends, was, 349.50. So we were 50 cents off, but pretty fucking close either way. We locked in that profit we were getting long down there at the 229s, and we took profit there at 348. I added to my winner as well once we started kind of putting in these higher lows, and sold everything into that push. So that's how you do it. I mean, sometimes you got to just sit through the bullshit, right? You got to sit through the bullshit. The market's going to chop around sometimes. But remember, right? Like, when we're consolidating, if the market's consolidating for 30 minutes, well, you have to think that there's a good chance that there's a good move coming. Like, there's going to be a big move coming, right? It's going to go. So I'm happy with it. It is what it is. You know, I can't control the market. I can't control my emotions. You know, I don't know exactly where. Oh my God, we got filled. My Warbucks long on Nvidia got filled. Look at that. Let's go, baby. Up $700 today in the Warbucks account. You gotta love that. If you guys have not checked out Warbucks, you can trade stocks right now for as little as $36. And today, trading Nvidia there and getting a nice little push up to the high. So shout out to Warbucks. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. There it is. The market making the moves. But again, I think people really, really forget that, like, I'm a human, right? Like, I'm not a robot. You know, I don't know exactly where the market's going to go at all times. Like, I just got to trade, right? That's all. Like, only thing I can do here is trade. And I don't know exactly where the market's going to go. I don't know if it's going to go up, it's going to go down. I have no fucking idea. And that's it. That's all I got. So if you're not entertained, again, like, you don't have to watch. So shout out to all the real ones out there. Shout out to all the real ones out there. But yeah, I mean, somebody said today taught me I have a lot of work to do and learning my levels, hold trades longer, and adding. I mean, I think you gotta kind of like be aware, right? I know that it was a total fuck fest for about 30 minutes, right? But you can see at 10:45, right? This is 10:45, that candle, the 5-minute candle, 10:50 into 11 o'clock. So into that hourly candle close, what do? Right? We pushed up strong. So that's what I was looking for. You got to think. So the market was like here. So we had this wick. We had the 2 hourly candles. And the idea was that this candle would push up and close above this previous candle high, which it ended up doing. We see that a lot, right? Where you, like, even here, you had a wick. The next candle, what did it do? It pushed up. It broke above the candle high. So you get that price action like that a lot, where these candles, they want to break previous candle highs and vice versa. You know, here, like overnight, you had a very small candle. The next candle breaks the high. The next candle breaks the high. So kind of positioning yourself into the close of that candle, knowing that, like, hey, you know, a lot of times when we're pushing up, we're going to try to break those previous candle highs. And that's what we're kind of looking. How can we position ourselves? If we're looking at the 5-minute chart, we're like, well, right now, basically, you know, this hourly candle is like a wick and it's stuck. But we're looking for the push above the previous hourly candle, because that would obviously kind of play into the theory of that candle pushing there. So, yeah, really happy with that. You know, that's what we needed. And as you can see, where did we pull back at? You know, where did we pull back at? So, at that exact fucking spot that I took profit at. So, happy. Yeah, I mean, that's just kind of how it is, right? Like, you're gonna have good trades, you're gonna have bad trades. The goal is obviously to make your good trades better than your bad trades. That would be the one secret to this whole thing, right? If you want to make money, you got to make your good trades better than your bad trades, basically. So, gotta make your good trades, your bad trades. Gotta make your good trades, your bad trades. Everybody wants a good trade. Everybody wants a bad trade. Everybody wants a good. Someone said no eggs today? Yeah, I just ate eggs. I don't eat any eggs. How can you hold a trade like UPW? I mean, I think you got to be able to identify, right? Identify the setup, right? That's it. Identify the setup. So it's like on this setup here, right? All this consolidation, you have to believe that when we do break out, that there's a good chance we kind of move to the next level, right? That's the plan. Because we talked about it earlier, right? When the market was moving down really fast, I said, like, hey, I don't want to keep shorting into this because I'm afraid that it might pop up really fast. So if you're entering in an area of consolidation, if you're entering an area, like if you're entering a trade after we've consolidated for a while, well, then you can have more confidence in holding longer, right? You can hold longer after the market's consolidated for a minute. Because you know, like, hey, we just consolidated for a good time, and we're pushing, so I can let it go higher, kind of thing, you know. How did you pick 29,350 as your target? Well, that's a very simple idea here, right? So you have the opening range, first 15-minute candle, your orb, right? It's your first 15-minute candle orb. Well, if this is obviously 100% of the opening range, what is 50% of the opening range? Right, that's the middle of the opening range. Well, where would that be? That would be basically 50%, 50%, 50%, 50%, 50%. Makes sense? Someone said they're short 100 contracts. I'd be careful, sir. This might keep going higher. Nvidia ain't stopping just yet. But honestly, we kind of, like, you think about it, that 350 area was right here, you know, kind of in that previous area where we bounced, which is a lot of times you'll see the market kind of moves, right? Makes sense. PW, you made a great trade by not listening to the chat. Well, you know, I think we saw a good lesson today. Don't listen to the chat. Ugh. Moral of the story, don't listen to the chat. Don't do it. Don't you do it, boy. By the way, right now, Take Profit Trader. Right now, Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader is 50% off. If you've not, if you haven't tried out Take Profit Trader, well, the chance is now. Get in on it. 50% off. So. Denny wants to know, should we drop the giveaways, chat? We got 10 Take Profit Trader accounts to drop. Denny wants to know, should we drop the giveaway winners? Let him know in the chat. Tell him. Tell him. Danny. We need to give away some Warbucks accounts. When the fuck are we giving away some Warbucks accounts, bro? What the fuck? We need some Warbucks love up in here. Right now, checking out Warbucks. This is the Warbucks for the equities. So you can start trading stocks. You know, you can trade stuff like, Apple, Nvidia, Tesla, Meta, and more with Warbucks for as little as $36. No activation fee as well. So you can sign up. We got a couple different bonuses that you can add on there as well. The 90% profit split, 33% consistency, or the 50% consistency. So got a couple different additional stuff. We use GUI Pro there. You can see this is what I was trading on today. Very kind of like similar to everything we already know and use, which is, this is trading view charts. So you got trading view charts there. Right now, I think it's fucking loading. Yeah. So Nvidia today trading on Warbucks right now for as little as $36. You can sign up. You can trade crypto as well 24 hours a day. So 24 hours a day, you can trade crypto as well. A prop firm for stocks. Yes, Warbucks. You can trade stocks, equities. The easiest place to trade crypto and equities. So shout out to Warbucks. How it works, you select, you trade, you withdraw. We've paid out over $500,000 to traders. And look at it. Right now, $36. $36. We got to add Tradeovate to Warbucks. Oh, I'm working on it. Does Warbucks allow small cap and shorting? You can short. Yes, you're allowed to short. That's the great thing about Warbucks. You can short any stock all the available stocks, but you can short all the big stocks. So, buying power for stocks, I believe it's 2-to-1. 2-to-1. You can see today this is a 50K account. We're up $783 today. And it's kind of nice because you just literally you click here, you can actually make it so you don't even have to click to do this. But let's say you want to buy. Or is Nvidia going to go up here? What are we thinking? Nvidia's kind of pulling back now. I'm trying to show you how easy it is to trade this. Yeah, no, there's no TQQ or anything like that, just stocks. The terms and conditions of Warbucks is extremely scary. Why is it extremely scary? Every prop firm has terms and conditions. What are you talking about, Willis? All right, we're going to try a long here on, obviously, financial. This is not, as I say, this is financial advice. This is not financial advice. You can just drag and drop. Just kind of showing you guys how you trade on this platform. I like using just the drag and drop, right on the screen there. So we're long here on Warbucks, on Nvidia right now. Do we get continuation here? For putting your stop loss, it's great too. You just drag and drop it, pull it down there. Yeah, you got your stop. You're good to go. You can move it, you can drag it around there. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Where's your personal account? I don't have any personal money. I'm broke. I don't make money trading, chat. I'm broke. I got no profits. I got no monies. I got none of it. I got no monies. A little bit of trouble here on NVIDIA now. Oh, Lord. I think as long as we need to basically hold that 226.25 area. NVIDIA having some trouble here. Let's see if we get another bounce off this. Does GUI Pro come with the account? Yes, the account. You get a account to trade, yes. I mean, Warbucks is pretty much just like it's like a futures prop firm, but instead of trading futures, you're obviously trading stocks. Up top right now, up top, we got the giveaways. We got giveaways up top. Oh, NVIDIA has just pulled back since I got long. I love it. Right to my stop. Oh Lord. So. Oh yeah. Oh, flirting. Okay, stop. Stopped out there for now. Gave back 200. It happens. Should have been a little bit more patient probably on that pullback there. NASDAQ right now pulling back to the VWAP. Where's the giveaway winners? Right up there, my friend. Take Profit Trader giveaway winners. We got Hazam, Lee, Brad, Terry, Ivan, Jerry, William, Nancy, Amon, Cameron. Got all the everybody up in there. Oh yeah, also on Warbucks, we're giving away free Warbucks accounts daily. So if you have not signed up yet, it's free. So all right, NASDAQ stuck up there at those highs for now. Got to see what happens here next. Getting ready for D-Money to come up here later on. I just got a text message that looks like Apex is 90% off again. So if you like Apex, it's back to 90% off. Back to back to back 90. Man, that might have been the best trade of my life. Look at that thing. We sold at the exact top of this move here. Gotta love it. My P&L today, I'm not showing anybody. I said it earlier. There's no point. I'm up big, chat. I'm up big, okay? What can I say? But I'm not showing you. I'm done. I'm over it. I'm done. I don't make no money. 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 Do a giveaway. We just did a giveaway. Yeah, someone commented about the take profit trader. Make sure, yeah, you got to make sure with the copy trader that you don't accidentally counter trade. That'll get you. That'll definitely get you. Be careful. I had that same problem happen with take profit trader, where I had 5 accounts and one of the accounts got messed up. So yeah, just you know, be aware. That's all. It's not like the end all. It's not like the end of the world, but it is, you know, just kind of think about it. You know what I mean? Good to be aware. Good to be aware. How do you enter the giveaway? Onlyprofirms.com. Everyone knows that. There's a link there in the chat. If you did not win today, sign up. You can win tomorrow or maybe the day after. I think tomorrow we're going to give away a bunch of Warbucks accounts tomorrow, so... Do you practice every day you're racing while out there? I do, pretty much, yeah. I do. I do, I do. Nvidia is starting to look like it wants to pop back up here a little bit. Right? It just kind of like gives that, it's giving that look right now. I'm gonna try one more long here on Nvidia. And I'll just like put my stop $1 lower. $1 lower. Let's see if we can't get a push. This is one of those trades I'll probably just like leave. I'll go driving in the desert and just leave this trade to let it ride. She's kind of bouncing there. We just want to stay above that EMA. Nvidia push, NASDAQ bounce off the top of that opening range high, but let's see. Are there no practice courses in Florida? Have you ever been to Florida, sir? Have you been to Florida, sir? It's there's no desert in Florida. You know, it's hard to practice for off-road desert racing in Florida. You know, it's tricky. You could probably do it, but it would be hard, if you know what I mean. You know, like it'd just be a little tricky. It'd be a little tricky trying to desert race in Florida. I mean, it's doable, but it would be tricky. It would definitely be tricky. When's the new truck wrap gonna get shown? Fuck, probably not till the race, to be honest. Oh, I just got a message from the guys at Warbucks. They said they want to give away some accounts today. So if you haven't already, head over there to Warbucks BTC. They're going to drop. We got 5 10K equity accounts ready to go. Who wants to win? We're going to give them away here in the next 10 minutes. Next 10 minutes for the winners of Warbucks. Link in the chat. Go to the website. You can sign up there. Enter to win a free account. It's really simple. It's easy. Get you a free account. Come on. Fucking NVIDIA. NASDAQ's pumping here, or pushing. NVIDIA kind of stuck now. I like how the NASDAQ's holding the top of the 15-minute range right now. ES is making new highs, actually. Ugh, I was going to get... We'll try a long right here for a quick little pop-up. Just go for like 10 points. She's looking like she wants to push. It might go even higher, but I'll take 10 points. How many miles out do you go before heading back to starting point? What, with the racing? Just depends. Little pullback here, that's fine. Bouncing off that EMA there for now. Keeping it kind of tight here. I kind of FOMO'd into that. That should have been the entry at the 18s and then already out of this, but we held the top of that 15-minute range for now. Hopefully my last trade of the day is on a losing trade. Oh god. Could be. Very much could be. What's the miles per gallon on the truck? I don't know. Probably like 1 mile per gallon, maybe like 2 miles, maybe on a good day. Oof. Got to hold his EMA there, or we're going to get stopped. Oh, God. Oh, God. Where are the eggs at today? I already ate the eggs. Where have you been? Where you been? Is it racing fuel? Yeah, 110 racing fuel. All right, trying to push here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're long. Party, party, drink Bacardi. If you guys have not checked out Take Profit Trader, it's 50% off right now. 50% off. This is the cheapest deal they've ever had. No activation fee as well, which is crazy. They used to have an activation fee, and they used to never do these deals, so it's crazy how cheap these accounts are getting these days. Just a little consolidation before a breakout here, possibly. I drive a 2-wheel drive truck. Yeah, I think the race fuel right now is like $15 a gallon. I think maybe a little less, about 15 bucks a gallon. PW, are you on a diet? Not really. Do I look like I'm on a diet? You tell me I'm looking good, then I'll say that I'm on a diet, you know? You tell me I'm looking good, and then, you know, I'll tell you, I'll say, oh, thank you very much, thank you very much, thank you very much. Okay, that was nice. See, like, it's nice when the market just does what you want it to do. You know what I mean? You know, it's like, when it just does what you want it to do, look at that. It's still going higher, by the way. How we looking on, oh, we're trying to push here, NVIDIA. Come on, NVIDIA, make a push here. This is the Warbucks platform. We're trading stocks with Warbucks. That's right, you can trade stocks. Nvidia, Apple, Meta, Tesla, and more with Warbucks. Right now, we're long on Nvidia here. It's just like a prop firm account when you're trading futures, but you're trading stocks. So the take profit trader deal is a good sign for the prop firm industry. James wouldn't be offering that if he wasn't making tons of cash. Ooh, that's a good point. It's a good point. It's a good point. Good point. Good point. You're making good points, sir. You got some good points there. That's some good points. Struggle bussing. I'm going to put my stop right to the low here. And see if we can't expand out of here. You can see the NASDAQ still pushing. We were long from the 20s up there into the 35s. Beautiful trade here. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Nice and easy. 10 points. 10 points. 10 points. 10 points. 10 points, chat. Do you use Lucid Pro or Lucid Flex? I like the Lucid Pro accounts. I like the Lucid Pro accounts. How do you sign up for the Warbucks giveaway? Oh, guys, there's a link in the chat. Right there, buddy. You guys see the link? Is that link there? Is it only I can see it? No, there's a little guy. Are you guys serious right now? Is this real life? Are people really asking this question? If you go to Warbucks website, right, and you scroll down to the, like, not even to the bottom, right there, enter to win a free account. Yeah, you can pass a Lucid Pro account in 1 day, correct. I signed up instead. Can I still get a free account? Bro, what do you want from me? What take profit trader account do you like? Probably the 150K account. 150 is always fun one, you know. I'd say it's a good one. All right, we're long here on Nvidia. It might be a terrible idea, but you know, we're trying it. Someone said I look sick. I would love to see the people in the chat that say that I don't look good or what, you know. I would love to see how beautiful they are. You know, I'd love to see what their girlfriend looks like. That's for sure. Because I guarantee she's a fucking swamp creature. Why is the NASDAQ stuck at the 340s? I mean, it looks like it's about to break out here, honestly. Alina said I look very good. Ooh. Am I trading micros today? No. When did I trade micros? What the fuck are people talking about? I mean, like I've said a million times, right? The haters, they out there, they're thinking about me every day, all day. And to be honest, like I only think about the haters while I'm live on YouTube, but after I'm not live, like I don't I don't sit around thinking about them, that's for sure. You know, I'm gonna go drive a truck really fast through the desert, and then I'm going to come home, smoke some weed, chill the fuck out. Like, I'm good. You know what I mean? Like, I'm chilling. All right, this trade on NVIDIA is starting to work. NASDAQ still pushing. She's still pumping. Look at this pump on NASDAQ now. I said, there you go. We pulled back, tapped the top of the range. See, again, you know, I really want to point out the fact that there were a lot of people this morning that said the market was just going to go short all day, right? They were like, look, Patrick, it's going to keep going lower. And here we are. We're almost at all-time highs again, guys. Right? Like, don't ever, like, you know, like, don't ever think the market can't go higher. You know? Don't ever think the market can't go higher, guys. Because as you see, it can 100% always go higher. It doesn't matter. Like, so still going. We're long on NVIDIA still. Can we get that push to the 228s here on NVIDIA now? Maybe. All right, one more time. I'm gonna say it one more time, chat, and I keep saying it because, you know, I keep saying it, but hold on, where is it? It's not here. Hold on one second. One more time. One more time. Oh yeah, NinjaTrader. There's a link in the chat, by the way, for NinjaTrader, the Arena Cup. If you have not signed up for the Arena Cup, we got to get more people signed up. We need more BDH members in there. Right, you can sign up right now. It's free, guys. Absolutely free to do it. So, I mean, you know, if you're interested, I don't know what you're waiting for, because it's literally free. The first qualifier is already done. It's a 1-day tournament, by the way. It's only 1 day. Like, you got nothing to lose. You got nothing to lose, man. So check them out right now. Ninja Trader tournament. You got the qualifier 3. You got qualifier 2. There's a $20,000 prize pool for cash payouts to the top 130. Totally free. And you can check it out. They'll give you an account to trade. You get to put your name on the leaderboard. Put BDH in your name. Next Tuesday, we're going to be trading the Ninja Trader Cup here live. So there's an opportunity to kind of get a part of it, see how you stack up. You've got some time still. But as I said earlier, once the once these are all full, well, there won't be any more opportunities. So get in there, baby. Get in there. You know you want to. You know you want to. All right. Can we get the pump here on NVIDIA? Do you want to pump it up? You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Both the ES and the NASDAQ just climbing here. Ever since we made a low down there at the 29,120s. Just climbing ever since. So you gotta love it. BDH Bulldog. Let's go. We got a BDH Bulldog in the chat. BDH Bulldog. The BDH Bulldog. What EMA do I use? On the 5-minute chart, I use the 21 EMA, and you can see how nicely that bounced there earlier. We bounced off the top of the opening range, and we hit the EMA beautifully there. So the 21 EMA is the blue line on the chart. For the 1-minute chart, I'm using the 9 EMA. The white line down there is the VWAP. So we got the VWAP down there, and then obviously the 21 EMA for now. So does the promo code with Take Profit Trader give you the no activation fee? Yes, it gives you there's no activation fee, so you get an activation fee credit. The code PW gets you the best deals always. Okay, always. Right now, Take Profit Trader is 50% off. If you've not checked out Take Profit Trader, they're one of the OGs in the space. I feel like they don't get enough talk. It's funny because like everybody else talks about all the other firms and stuff, but for some reason, Take Profit Trader just kind of flies under the radar. Y'all feel that way? I feel that way. It's like it just kind of flies under the radar. Little pullback here. NVIDIA also pulling back, so uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, a little bit of a pullback there. See what happens. The music that I use is just it's a free playlist on YouTube. This is the music that I use. Why is bid ask so far away with TradingView? With NVIDIA? I don't think so. It's fine. There's a little push again. Look at that aggressive push back up. Oh, buddy. It ain't over till it's over. It ain't over till it's over. Tank Dizzle. He's down today, but he loves it here. Hey, I appreciate the support, my friend. I appreciate the support. Do I know when the 50% off Take Profit Trader ends? I mean, I think it says 1 week only. Now I'm not, I'm not a genius, chat. I'm not a genius, but I think 1 week only. Possibly 1 week only. 1 week only. It started on Monday. So it started on Monday, so whatever that means. Can we get the pop? We're up $300 here right now, trading on Warbucks, trading equities. Got to get this, trying to get NVIDIA to pop up there at 228 area. Come on, baby girl. I wish you could like pull these things somewhere. Okay, like what the fuck? I don't know why these things have to be like right fucking in the middle. A bit annoying. Someone in the chat said that they've watched other live shows doing the futures live trading and tried to follow how they trade, and it totally just seems random. And if you ask them, they want you to buy the course. Well, I mean, buy my course, bro. Like I said a million times, majority of people that day trade live on YouTube, they're terrible. Galaxy Trader says Warbucks sucks. Trade your own money. Day trading with Webull with only 2,000. Sir, the Warbucks account is $36. So you could lose $36 or you lose $2,000. Which, I don't know, man. So that's your Oh, buddy, we fixed it. Someone in the chat actually knew what they were doing. I was able to move the numbers here. We were able to move them over. That's kind of nice. Yeah, it looks like we might be running out of steam here. So I'm just going to go ahead and close it right there for 128 bucks. And then I'm going to walk away. We got D-Money coming up here real soon. D-Money at 12 o'clock for the afternoon session. BDH, baby. If you guys have not already checked out Warbucks, check them out. Take Power Trader right now, 50% off. You got 1 week only. 1 week only. So there it is. We'll be back tomorrow morning. D-Money coming up here in 1 minute. If you have not checked out the D-Money show, you're missing out. He gets cray-cray like little Ray Ray over there. So little link in the chat for everybody to go check out the D-Money show here in the next couple minutes. And I will see you guys later on. Peace to the Middle East. Adios, amigos. See you later. Hasta la vista, baby.